To delete grade items, we're going to go up to Progress and access the grade book. Select Grades, Manage Grades, and as we can see here, we have 3 assignments, and I want to delete assignment set to inactive. So I'm going to go to Delete, and I attempt to check these and I cannot check them. Well, what's going on is these grade items are associated with an activity. So first we need to go to Activities, Assignments, Edit, and we are going to unassociate this grade item. Click None, save and close, and we go back over to the gradebook, Progress Grades, Manage Grades, and if we look here, we can see that now it is not associated with anything. More actions, delete, and now I can select that item, click delete, and there. Alright, if you have any further questions about how to delete grade items, please contact Caleb or I in the basement of Cowan Hall. Thank you.